So this is the problem. On 1st April 2015, 5,000 equity shares of rupees 10 each of Apollo Limited were held as investments by Mrs. Meera at a cost of rupees 48,000. Right? So here, this is the opening balance of shares. Okay, these shares are in hold for a investment purpose, right? So here we are going to prepare a investments account of Mrs. Meera. So likewise we have to prepare this investments account in share of Apollo Limited in the book of Mrs. Meera. Okay, so we will start with the opening balance. So it is 1st April 2015, opening balance is there, and we will get this little bigger one so the picture will clear. Okay, so here the opening balance is 5,000 equity shares of 10 each. So rupees 10 each is the face value of each share. So 5,000 shares, multiply it with 10 rupees. Okay. So it is the 50,000 face value. And the market value or the cost is 48,000. So we put here 48,000 in a capital value column. So opening balance we written here. Then the next transaction is on 31st April 2015. She purchased 1,000 of such equity shares at rupees 12 per share. So the 30th April, she purchased 1,000 equity shares for 12 rupees. So likewise, we have to enter the purchase transaction. So to bank account and 1,000 shares are purchased. So 1,000 into 10, that is 10,000 is the face value. So we put here 10,000 and the market value is 12 rupees per share. So accordingly we put this 1,000 into 12 market price and the market value 12,000 is entered here, right? Then here we completed our second transaction or the purchase transaction, right? So next we will move to the next transaction. On 2nd June 2015, the company declared bonus share in the ratio of 1 share for every 2 shares held. So here the bonus are announced by the company on 2nd June 2015, and now we have to enter the bonus share entry. The ratio is every 2 share held, 1 share for every 2 share held, it is there. So it is 2:1 is the ratio. So we have to calculate this in a working note. So this is the bonus share working note, right? So how we have to calculate? The ratio is 2:1. So the if the holding are 2, or the if the if we hold 2 shares, then we will get a 1 bonus share. Then here in case of Mrs. Meera, she holds 6,000 shares. How it is? The opening balance is 50,000 and the purchase is 10,000. So number of shares are 6,000, right? Because the face value of each share is 10 rupees. So 6,000 is the number of share which is she hold on the date of announcement of bonus. So we have to do the cross multiplication, right? So for that purpose, for cross multiplication, we have to simply multiply 6,000 with a 1 and divide by 2. So we will get a 3,000 as a bonus share number. So this is the number of shares which the Meera is going to receive as a bonus share. So 3,000 are the number of shares. So multiply it with a 10 face value. So 30,000 is your face value for bonus share. So accordingly we calculated, and we have to enter this 30,000 in our ledger account. So here we enter this. So on 2nd June 2015, bonus share 30,000, and as the bonus share are the free of cost share, Mira has paid nothing for getting the bonus share. That's why we enter nil, or we can enter zero, or we can put simply a dash. So it will indicate that no cost is bared by Mira for bonus share, because these are the free of cost shares. So only we have to enter face value column with the proper amount in case of bonus share. Okay, so this transaction is over here. How we calculated that? So we have made only a simply we get this amount or figure with a cross multiplication. Okay, so all the time you have to put this equation, and you will get a bonus share or number of bonus share. Okay, then what is the next transaction? It is 30th June 2015. The company made right issue in the ratio of 1 share for every 2 shares held. Okay. On payment of rupees 13 per share, Mrs. Meera subscribed to 40% of the shares and sold the balance of her rights at rupees 2 per share. So in this case, what happened? Again the company announced a right issue. Okay, so what is difference between right issue and bonus issue? Bonus shares are the free of cost shares which are issued to the existing shareholders, and the right shares are also issued to existing shareholder, but for that purpose the existing shareholder have to pay the cost, or have to bear a cost. And these right share, whether to purchase this right share or not, it is the option remain with the existing shareholder. These are not compulsory. Okay, so in this way Mira also subscribe for only 40% right share. Okay, so how in what ratio she is going to receive the right share? For every 2 shares held, she is going to get 1 right share. So the ratio is 2:1. Okay, so here also in case of right issue we have to go with the working note. So likewise we prepared here the working note, and the right share issue, ratio is 2:1. So if she hold 2 shares, then she will get a 1 right share. Likewise here also, as she is holding 90,000 face value shares. How she is holding? Look here in a ledger account. 50,000 opening plus 10,000 is the purchase of equity shares. Then she get a bonus of 30,000. So the total is 90,000. 50,000 plus 10,000 plus 30,000. So the 90,000 is the holding. So what will be the right issue for her, right share issue for her? So here we again cross multiplied and get the answer. So the number of right share or the right share, this is not the number, this is only a face value of right shares right now. Okay, so we will keep here only right share. So right share offered by the company are cross multiplication, 90,000 into 1 divided by 2. So 45,000 is the answer. So right share issued by the company to who? Mira is 45,000, right? Then again we have to calculate her subscription, because she has not subscribed for 100% of right share. She only subscribed for 40%. So right share subscribed by Mira are 45,000 into 40%. So 18,000 face value right shares are subscribed by Mira. But the market value is different one, because right share are sold for, here, look here, because the right share she subscribed for 40% right share, and it is for a 13 per share. Payment is for 13 per share. So likewise it is 45, sorry, it is 45,000 into 40%, 18,000 is her subscription, and market value is 13 per share. So 23,400 is the market value of right share right now. So likewise we have to enter these two figures, that is subscription face value and subscription market value. So put it in a ledger account. So here we entered that on 30th June right share, as the right share are purchased, as the price is paid by the Mira, so we have to write or enter here to bank account, and the face value is 18,000 and the market value is 23,400. So here we calculated and entered the right share entry. Okay, so next, what is the entry? On 20th September 2015, dividend was received at rupees 2 per share for the year ended 31st March 2015. So this date is important, for which year it is declared. It is declared for year ended 31st March 2015. And this year is, or in case of this problem, we are dealing with the financial year 2015-16, right? So here it is declared 2 per share for 31st March 2015. So it is declared on 20th September. So likewise we have to enter this here on 20th September 2015. Dividend is received in bank or in money form. That's why we entered here by bank account. Okay. So whenever you are going to enter the dividend, you have to keep in mind that whatever the opening balance shares you have, that is, or calculate the dividend on opening balance first and enter the dividend amount in a dividend column. Okay, so only the opening capital is what we say, eligible for dividend, getting dividend, because we hold, or the Mira hold this for a on a 31st March 2015. So Mira is entitled to get the dividend on this opening balance share, right? But after that, Mira also purchased 30th April. On 30th April, Mira also purchased 10,000 face value shares. So it will going to reduce her cost of capital, because she didn't hold this 10,000 face value shares on 31st March 2015. She hold it only on 30th April 2015. So this, whatever the dividend she will get on this 10,000 will going to reduce her cost. So likewise we have to calculate the dividend. So here on 50,000 face value, we are going to calculate the dividend, and that should be entered in dividend column. And in case of in between year purchase of shares, we have to enter dividend of that on market value column, as it is going to reduce the Mira's cost of capital. Okay, and you are also confusing that why it is not on bonus share or right share. So these bonus shares are the newborn shares, and right shares are also newborn shares. So these are not exist on 31st March 2015. They come into existence only on 2nd June and 30th June. So they are not entitled for dividend. But here, whatever the old shares are there, they are entitled for dividend. but we have to enter opening dividend or opening balance dividend on in a dividend column, and whatever the dividend we get on purchase of in between year shares, we have to enter that dividend in a market value column in order to reduce the cost of capital of holding those shares. Okay, so here also we entered likewise. So 50,000 face value means 5,000 shares are there into 2 per share dividend, that means 10,000 dividend. Here we calculated 5,000 shares into 2 is 10,000 dividend and entered here, and 1,000 shares, that is 10,000 face value, so 1,000 shares into 2 per share dividend, 2,000 is entered in a market value column in order to reduce the cost of capital. So all the time you have to do this in a this way only. Okay, so next one, it is on 1st December 2015, 1,000 such shares were sold by Mrs. Meera at rupees 20 per share. So 1,000 shares are sold on 1st December for rupees 20. So it is this is a selling transaction. So entered here at a credit side by bank account on 1st December 2015, and 1,000 shares are sold. So 1,000 into 10, face value is 10,000, and market value, it is sold for 20 rupees. So 1,000 into 20, 20,000 is entered in a market value column. So it is entered, but whenever there is a sale, that time we have to calculate the profit or loss on that sale. So that's why we have to calculate here also whatever we done in case of mutual fund. For dealing with mutual fund, we in what way we calculated the profit or loss on sale, same in that way we have to calculate the profit or loss on sale of shares also. So here we have to take into consideration the face value, whatever the balance of face value Mira had on 1st December 2015. But you can't take the sale transaction or 1st December transaction, but you have to take only uh, rest of the other. That means you have to total this thing. Whatever the debit column is there, you have to total face value debit column. So 50,000 plus 10,000 plus 30,000 plus 18,000. So it is 1 lakh 8,000. The total is 1 lakh 8,000. And if any credit is there, then you have to deduct. But it is not here in case of Mira. So we can't deduct anything. So it is total of debit side is simply written here 1 lakh 8,000. Likewise, the capital value also we have to find out. So here total this 48,000, 12,000 and 23,400. So only this thing we have to total, and we have to deduct the 2,000 figure, because we can't take this 20,000 because we are dealing with this transaction only. So we are not going to consider these amounts or these figures. Only whatever above this is we have to consider. So here only 2,000 is the credit. So add this 48,000, 12,000 and 23,400 and deduct this 2,000. So the amount is 81,400. Okay. So when the balance of face value is 1 lakh 8,000, that time cost value is 81,400. Then what about if the 10,000 face value is there? So we entered here, we sell 10,000 shares, so we entered 10,000 face value, but we don't know the cost value. We know that market value 20,000, but we don't know the cost value. So we have to calculate the cost value with a cross multiplication. So simply we have to cross multiply. Okay, so we have to multiply it 1 lakh 8,000, sorry, so 1 lakh 8,000 into, 10,000 into 81,400 multiply kilo and त्याच्याने divide it by 1 lakh 8,000. So this is capital value whatever we get. So it is 7,537. Okay, and now compare this with the market value. This is the actual cost whatever the Mira paid in a past. So now what she get a 20,000. Okay, so that's why compare that 7,537 cost with 20,000 market value. So we come to conclusion that there is a profit, right now. So there is a profit of 12,463. So likewise we enter here 12,463. How we entered? See here. On 1st December 2015, we had a sell. So on that we Mira get a profit of 12,463, and we enter here at a debit side to profit and loss account, profit on sale, and it calculated in working note number 3. Okay, how it is calculated you can see here. Okay, so next so next here, with this transaction we finish. In this transaction we finished Ajay Sadhav. So with this transaction we finished our problem. All entries are transferred. So what left is only closing the investment account. So simply close this Mira's account. Close this Mira's account. How we close this? Simply we total this debit face value column. It is 1,08,000 and deducted this credit 10,000. So 98,000 is the balance carried down. Okay, and we have to close this on 31st March 2016 for because it is the year ending. Then close this dividend column. So dividend column we have already 10,000 at credit side. We total this 10,000 and return to both the sides, debit and credit side in total column. And then the balance is 10,000 is transferred to profit and loss account. Okay, so dividend is transferred to profit and loss account 10,000 here. Hmm? Then close this market. Then we close this market value column. Simply we total this debit side. Okay, and the total is 95,863, and we simply deducted this 2,000 and 20,000. So 20,000 we deducted and left is balance. So 73,863 is your carried down balance of market value or capital value column. So here we finished with this problem. So this is very simple problem. Only the dividend is income, and it may appear most of the times one or two times, but most of the times it is one time only. So this is very simple and easy to calculate, easy to enter. So as compared to mutual fund calculations, this is very calculations are also very less in this case of problem. Okay,